Hey peeps, this is Feliks from Superflu.
You need to cut it on the right
people and you're jamming together, or to refresh your brain, refresh your ideas and see if the samples you're working with are working.
Ah, Chelsea. He's one of the good guys. Maybe we should take something from you.
You know that a transition is coming. Freezer.
Let's try it. Okay. So I opened up a new project. Take this and put it in. Let's listen to everything.
Freezer is none other than a reverb.
That's one. That was really good. Maybe we can try to take some synth sounds.
To refresh your brain, refresh your ideas and see if the samples you're working with.
That one is nice. Let's try to get the first groove. Let's start this time, maybe with the bass drum. Put in one of my favorite samplers from Reason. And then I put in, maybe the bass. So I really like this combination of sampler and reverb. You can do a lot of crazy stuff. I will show you now.
This is really fun.
So I have to find the right key.
This is really
fun to use, especially when you're working with other people and you're jamming together, or to refresh your brain, refresh your ideas and see if the samples your ideas and see if the samples you're working with, or to refresh your brain, refresh your ideas, or to refresh your brain, refresh your brain, or to refresh your brain, refresh your brain.
Got this one. It's Infiltrator. Yeah, and you also have some funny presets here. Let's see. Modulation. Why not?
Or to refresh your brain, refresh your brain, 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 or...
Why not? What else do we have? So yeah, it's only a small part of... Yeah. Okay, I want this one to stand out of the mix with the room reverb. Oh, let's see, maybe something from this harmonics fits in. Good.
Or to refresh your brain, refresh your brain. Our work.
something in it we can use. Yeah.
Refresh your brain, refresh your brain. Or refresh your brain, refresh your brain. Or refresh your brain, refresh your brain.
That's it. That's fine. That was fun. It was interesting. Thank you very much. Hope you had fun. Bye bye.